Hey guys, welcome back to Keto Asian Flavors. It's Anne. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make these ultra thick, chewy chocolate chip cookies with a crispy edge. So for this recipe, I replaced the xanthan gum with another ingredient, which will help with the texture. This low-carb ingredient is used as a stabilizer in baked goods, so that it could give us these thick, bakery-style cookies many of us love so much. This recipe was created and tested about 6 months ago by some of my Patreon members. Please pause the video to read the full reviews if you'd like. To make the cookies, start by chopping the unsweetened chocolate by hand, set aside for later use. In a large bowl or a bowl of a stand mixer, add the almond flour, Swerve brown sugar substitute, Swerve granular sugar substitute, baking soda, and gum arabic. If you've seen my Keto Recipes paper video that I've shared in November of 2020 or have been following me for a while, you should know about gum arabic. I've introduced this ingredient in some of my keto recipes to help with texture. For these cookies, gum arabic helps with holding the cookie's shape so that the cookies doesn't fall flat. I've also have a comparison video on xanthan gum versus gum arabic, so if you have a chance, do check it out for more info on this low-carb ingredient. To the same bowl, add in the gelatin. Whisk to combine for about 30 seconds and set aside for later use. Melt the butter in a medium saucepan over medium-high heat and cook until brown. Once brown, remove from the heat and strain through a sieve and let cool. Discard the brown bits. When browning the butter, do keep an eye on it to avoid burning it. Transfer the dry ingredients to the stand mixer bowl. If you do not have a stand mixer, a bowl and a whisk will do. Just make sure that all the ingredients are well combined. Add in the brown butter, vanilla extract, an egg, white miso, and continue to whisk to mix the ingredients. Add in the sugar-free chocolate chips and chopped unsweetened chocolate using a spatula or by hand. Transfer the cookie dough to a bowl and let rest in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes while the oven preheats. Preheat the oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit and line a cookie sheet with parchment paper. Meanwhile, divide the cookie dough into 12 balls by hand. Do not flatten the cookie dough. Bake for 14 to 16 minutes on the bottom rack, rotating halfway. Start with 14 minutes and add an additional 2 minutes if needed. As an option, sprinkle some sea salt on top. Transfer the cookies to a baking rack to cool. Thank you so much for watching my videos, and I hope you enjoy my recipes. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more Asian-inspired keto recipes. If you would like to support me on Patreon, the link is provided below. To store these cookies and to keep them fresh longer, I use a ZWILLING vacuum sealer system. I've made an unboxing and demo video on it, so if you wish to check it out, it's linked below. See you again next time!